Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Imagine having your Linux system handle repetitive tasks for you automatically, reminding you to stay hydrated, backing up your important files, or even showing you motivational quotes every morning. Yeah, that's the magic of cron jobs, one of Linux's most powerful tools for automation. So what are the different types of cron jobs? And how can you go beyond the basics to supercharge your productivity and make your day-to-day Linux experience smoother than ever? Let's start from the basics. Linux cron is a time-based task scheduler that automates repetitive tasks on your system. It allows you to run commands or scripts at specified times or intervals, such as daily, weekly, or even down to the minute. Now let's understand how Cron Syntax works. A cron job has 5 time fields followed by the command to execute. The first field specifies the exact minute the task runs, ranging from 0 to 59. The second field defines the hour of execution, using a 24-hour format from 0 to 23. The third field indicates the day of the month the task should run. It ranges from 1 to 31. The fourth field represents the month, ranging from 1 to 12. And finally, the fifth field specifies the day, where 0 and 7 both represent Sunday, and 1 through 6 correspond to Monday through Saturday. For example, this runs a task at 9 AM every Monday. You can also use commas for multiple values, like 1, 15 for the first and 15th day of the month, or ranges like 1 to 5 for weekdays. Don't worry if this sounds tricky at first. The more you use it, the more intuitive it becomes. Now let's move from theory to practice with some awesome user cron jobs. Let's get hands-on with the first type, user cron jobs. User cron jobs are personal tasks you can schedule using crontab. Just type crontab-e to edit your user-specific jobs. Here are inspiring ideas to get started. Want a fresh wallpaper every hour to your terminal emulator? Cron is up for the task. This command will select a random picture and make a soft link to where the terminal emulator expects it. Pretty cool, right? Now you will never get bored from your terminal again. If you are curious about how Linux links work, check out my video on the topic. The link is in the description below. Ever find yourself second-guessing the weather before planning a walk or heading out after work? No worries, Cron has you covered. You can schedule a daily weather report to pop up right in your terminal, so you will always know what to expect without needing to check your phone or browser. Personally, I use Tmax all the time, so setting up a pop-up notification makes it incredibly convenient. Here is the command. With this setup, your terminal will display the weather every weekday morning at 10 AM, keeping you informed and ready for the day ahead. Feeling unmotivated to work, especially after a crazy weekend? We have all been there. But don't worry, Cron can help. You can set it up to deliver a daily dose of inspiration with motivational quotes, giving you the push you need to tackle the day. Again, I use the Tmax pop-up to display these quotes right in my terminal every weekday at 9:30. Of course, if you are craving for more inspiration, you can always increase the frequency. Now, you will have a fresh quote waiting for you every morning to keep you inspired and productive. Feeling the grind after hours of work. It's easy to lose track of time and skip breaks. Let Cron help you stay balanced with a scheduled break reminder every hour. Whether you are deep into coding or managing your tasks, a gentle nudge can keep you refreshed and focused. And why stop there? You can also add a hydration reminder every 2 hours to make sure you are staying healthy while you work. With this setup, you will get regular reminders to stretch, step away from your screen, and drink water, keeping both your mind and body in top shape throughout the day. Next, let's talk about your Git projects. Did you know that Cron can handle syncing them for you? With a simple setup, you can schedule a cron job to pull your repositories twice a day, say at 9 am and 1 pm, ensuring you are always up to date with the latest changes from your coworkers and staying on top of the working branches. And if you are using Git for personal repositories, like managing your .files or keeping your notes organized, Cron has you covered there too. Schedule a daily push commit at the end of your workday to automatically back up your changes and keep everything in sync. With this, you will never have to worry about missing updates or forgetting to back up your work. It all happens seamlessly in the background. Keeping your files organized and your system clean can be effortless with Cron. For folder backups, you can schedule a Cron to compress and copy your important data to an external drive weekly, ensuring your files are always safe. For this cleanup, set up Cron to tidy up your system by clearing the cache, removing old screenshots, and moving downloaded PDFs to a dedicated folder. With these simple automations, your system stays organized and clutter-free without any manual effort. Cron jobs aren't just for system tasks. They can transform your daily workflow too. From reminders to backups, the possibilities are endless. Now let's shift gears and explore how Cron can handle critical admin tasks to keep your system running smoothly. You may have noticed that none of the previous Cron jobs required sudo. That's because we have been focusing on user-specific tasks. But now, it's time to talk about admin cron jobs, tasks that require elevated privileges to manage your system. These are configured with sudo crontab-e, opening a separate cron file specifically for admin level jobs. So what kind of tasks fall under this category? The most critical one is keeping your system updated. For example, you can schedule a cron job like this. This runs every Friday at 5 p.m., ensuring your system is updated with the latest packages and security patches. It's an essential task, and with Cron it happens automatically, keeping your system secure and running smoothly without breaking a sweat. Another critical task for admin cron jobs is system cleanup. Over time, temporary files, old logs, and unused packages can pile up, taking up valuable space and slowing down your system. Luckily, Cron can handle this effortlessly by scheduling regular cleanup tasks. Here is an example of a system-level cleanup schedule. With these cron jobs in place, your system stays lean, clean, and clutter-free, all without manual intervention. It's like having a built-in janitor for your Linux machine. If you rarely reboot your machine, Cron can handle it for you by scheduling a regular reboot. Here is an example to reboot your system every week. This ensures your machine gets a fresh start once a week, improving system stability and applying critical updates that require a reboot. Admin cron jobs are essential for keeping your system secure, clean, and running smoothly. From updates to system reboots, Cron takes care of the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on more important tasks without worrying about routine maintenance. But what happens if your system is turned off when a scheduled cron job is supposed to run? Stay tuned for our next video where we will explore Anacron and how it works alongside Cron to keep your automation reliable no matter what. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.